Hello, in this video we are going to learn line plot. Line plot is also part of a Python SeaBorn Python library for data visualization. So line plot connects all the points with a straight line. This is helpful to know when the values are becoming high and when they're low. Okay, line plot look like this one. Okay, line, all data points are combined. All data points will combine in a line form here. If you look into scatter plot, we will see points here. Okay, data points here, but here data points are connected here. Okay, and the line it shows a line. It shows like a line here. Okay, line plot simple. So we will take a simple program and we will draw the line plot here. Okay, so write a Python program to display line plot by taking horsepower on x-axis and acceleration on y-axis, and we have to find the relation between the horsepower and acceleration. Simple. Taking x-axis and acceleration, taking horsepower on x-axis and acceleration on y-axis, when we have to find the relationship between the two, horsepower and acceleration. With 4 steps, we can do this line, draw the line plot. First step, import the libraries here. Second step, load the dataset here, MPG dataset, from which in SeaBorn there is a MPG dataset available. So with the help of load underscore dataset function, we can import this dataset into our program. Just execute it. Right, and so we got the dataset here. So we take the horsepower on x-axis and acceleration on y-axis here. Okay. So to draw the line plot in SeaBorn, there is a line plot function is there, line plot. Right, and which data we are using? MPG. Means which data set we are using? MPZ. X-axis horsepower. Take x-axis horsepower, and y-axis acceleration. Okay, y-axis take the acceleration. Simple. Acceleration. That's it. Simple. If you next step is just display the labels. Okay, simple. Fourth step is display the labels. If you want to display X label, write some horsepower, y label, y-axis. If you want to display the some text on y-axis, just use here y label, the acceleration. Right, and display the graph, just use show method here. Simple. Just execute it. See, this is a line graph here. Okay, scatter plot shows the data points point like a points here, and the line graph combines all the data points here. Okay, and the line form here. So what kind of relation between the acceleration and horsepower? Same, negative relationship between, because if the horsepower increases, acceleration decreases. Okay, when horsepower is low, acceleration is high. When horsepower is high, acceleration is low here. Okay, so this kind of relation we call negative relationship. Right, so you can line plot. Main use of line plot is to show the relation between to find the relation between the two columns. Okay, between the acceleration horsepower here we are using here. Simple. Same like a scatter plot, but line plot shows the graph in the line. Okay, it combines all the data points here. Okay, and shows in the line form. Okay, that's about the line graph. And if next step in next video we'll see the scatter plot with regression line. Okay, scatter plot with regression line.